this our old house?
I still see the toilet. Still see the toilet. I still see the toilet. Wow! What's going on?
Kanin room to? Whose room is this?
David?
What? Hey Gab, no jumping. Where's your room, Gab? Nasa yung room mo? Where's your room? Show them your room. It used to be your room, right?
Yeah.
Nasaan yung ano? Saan yung bed mo dyan? Where was your bed when you live here?
I forgot. Bed.
Ay,
Wait,
okay,
Dad, I
Gab.
need your flashlight.
No, dito kayo, dito kayo.
Turn on the light. Turn on the light.
Jump, try to jump.
No. Yay. This is a bigger adventure.
Eh, baka may ipit si yan, oh.
What
Are you gonna miss this house, Gab?
Isabel, come back here.
Oh, ito, ano to, baby? Are you
Where's
gonna...
my table? Where's my table?
Sabel, we used to live here in 5 Alpha Place.
No. Way. Hey, 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 hey.
Are you gonna miss this, Gab?
Dad. Hey. Let's get the picture floor. Because it's broken. Broken? Broken? Stop! What?
Say bye-bye na to our old house, Gab.
My old house. Dad, why is the fridge in the kitchen is blue?
Mommy and me move it.
What?
We move it so they can see if it's clean at the back.
It's clean on the living room, but not. Here we go now.
Later, we're still waiting for somebody.
Ugh. Who? It's clean. Now.
Sabel. Sabel, say bye-bye to our old house. Are you gonna miss this house, Isabel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dad, guess what Isabel said? See you tomorrow. He's scared. He's scared. Look. Let's do a freeze dance, Isabel. Freeze.
Ano sabi?
Dami mong prayer. Ikaw nga. Okay. Sabi mo. Dance mo. Hindi kami papasayaw. Hindi mo na.
Nag-reply na sa'yo, baby?
Ano nga ito sinasabi ni Kate?
Baby,
Napanood mo daw to?
ano yun?
Favorite mo daw to? Idol mo daw to si Josh. Yung kangkong chick. Sabi niya.
Pero meron, pinakita sa akin kanina, meron siyang dala.
Oo, magawa mo daw. Idol mo daw.
Oh, hindi ko.
Sabi niya, sorry daw, nalimutan niya mag-work music kasi hindi daw siya Sabi ko, isang buwan na lang, pauwi na din ako.
Okay lang.
I'm here, Gab, sabi ni Mama yung gagawin mo. Gab, gagawin na. Gab. Ulit. Ay, huwag na tayo mag-ano. Paper treat mamaya na.
Nagtitrick or treat ba, mami?
Okay. Ayusin mo.
What, you want hi?
So, babay na. Babay na sa video.
Hi.
Tagal naman, baby.
Jump!
Yung tawag ko, hindi mo sagot eh.
Eh, baka nakapunta na sila dito.
Ha?
Baka nakapunta na. Press down.
Please. Be quiet.
Oh,
Hindi na sagot. Oh, sinasadya mo, sabi. Stop daw kasi. Ayan, wasad na siya.
first kuya.
Hindi na sagot daw.
O, tara na. Baka...
Aba, hindi pwede. Paano yung deposit natin? Nasa kanila yung phone.
Sabi na diba 130? 130 daw.
Ano?
130. Eh, pas 130 na eh.
Hey, there's probably people sleeping, ha?
Oo nga, no stomping. That's enough, that's enough. Gab, may hilo ka. You're gonna get dizzy.
No, I won't.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you. You think of me. I'm the monkey turning.
Bakit wala pa sila?
You're the monkey turning. If I take off the banana, you will go.
Sabel.
I get it. Got a banana.
Say bye na. Say bye na to the video. Say bye, guys. Say bye-bye, old house.
Bye, old house. Bye. Hey, get that.
Bye-bye, old house. Bye, 5 Alpha Place.
No more running, no more running.
Mhm.
Makakasira pa kayo.